Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. Today is our paper flower 101. I'm going to show you how do I store my paper flowers. As you all know, we have over 100 of paper flower samples in the last 3 years. Because they are all my first samples, I've been trying to keep at least one of each. However, storing them become very challenging. I'm going to show you how do I do so. Comment below if you have any other suggestions. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our latest tutorials. If you like what we're doing, you can also join our not so secretive community on our Patreon, link in the description. First of all, we'll need some small paper boxes, anything from the post or packaging. Then we are going to cut some tiny slits on the boxes to keep the flower straight. Make sure you have alternated slits so the paper flower heads have more space. And use a cutter to cut it. Now we're ready to tuck some flower stem into the slits. Put a wire stem through and deep enough to reach the bottom layer of the box to give extra support, so your flower is standing straight. You can also put more than one flower per slit. Depends on the thickness of the flower stem. Apart from the paper boxes, you can also reuse some beer bottles and glass jars to fill up the gaps in a plastic storage box. I'm using the IKEA boxes with a height approximately 40 centimeters. It is definitely deep enough for most of my flowers to stand straight. When you're storing your flowers, you can put the shorter flowers at the bottom as a first layer, then with a second layer on top. This way you can store double amount of flowers and still able to keep the flowers in good shape. When you think you have some space on the top, you can also add a few more flowers without tucking them down to the box. Don't force them down, just hover above the other flowers. I promise the paper flowers are stronger than you thought. They will be okay. completely fill up the big box. Next box, I've used some foams from our parcels that we have received. These days, foams are not widely used and they do make a bit of mess, so paper boxes are great and free. This is my secret storing technique to keep everything away. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you will like it and inspire you to put your flowers away safely. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel to grow. Stay tuned for our latest tutorials. And all of our DIY kits and templates are also available on our website. Check them out. See you guys next time.